Hello everyone, welcome to Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle. Before I tell you what I'm going to cook today, I know I'm going to ask you to please press the subscribe button. It's, I believe it's on that side. We need your help. Please help us out. And thank you for my regular viewers. So now I think I'm ready to tell you for the menu for today, which is very simple, very easy, and the ingredients are very easy to find wherever you are, wherever you live. So here it is. It's spaghetti with shrimp, with fresh tomatoes and garlic. And the only difference here, because I said this is very familiar, the difference here is I'm using spaghetti made from lentils. It's 100%. Now I'm ready to start cooking. The water is boiling already. And the tomatoes I'm using here are, this is called Roma. It's probably you will be associated with this type of tomatoes, Roma or San Marzano. But sometimes I also use cherry tomatoes because it's so easy for cherry tomatoes. You just cut them in half, quarter, and put them in a hot oil and the rest of the ingredients, and bingo. But today I'm using this one, so therefore I want my tomatoes peeled. And the easiest way to peel it actually is to put it into boiling water for a minute or two to loosen up the skin. So I think this has just been a minute inside boiling water. And don't throw the water away because this is what we're going to use to cook the pasta. Of course, you have to put it in a cold water because it will be obviously easier to handle after you put it before you peel it. So you have to put it into boiling water because you can easily handle it without burning your hand. So and look how easy it is after you put in boiling water. Make a slit, and then you're basically just peeling fruit. Well, tomatoes is fruit, but this is like peeling banana now, or mango, or peaches, and that's it. Going to chop it, the cut the top off, and you see why I like to use these tomatoes because it's not very watery. Watery and juicy is a complete different subject between the two of them. Now, well, this is why I like this particular variety because it doesn't have much seeds either. Okay, now wait, let me just come back to the boiling water. After boiling, and now I'm ready to put the pasta. This is, I'm only going to use half of this packet. It's 250 grams. I think that's too generous for two bars, so I'm just using half of it. So look at that. Look at the color. Even the color is beautiful already. So, and this will be 7 minutes. You can put this dish together in under 10 minutes. I can guarantee you that. Put away, and I'm switching on the pan to make the sauce. And then I'm still chopping my tomatoes. Doesn't have to be fine, just roughly chop them. Size of about half an inch, quarter an inch, or even an inch. Remember, they're gonna be cooked lightly. So as it's cooked, as it cooks, it gets smaller, the slices. So let me put the olive oil into the pan. Be generous. I know I'm always generous for olive oil because it's good for you, good for my skin. And now one more thing to do for my prep, crushing garlic. Now, this is a personal choice. You can add more, you can add less of garlic. And that, I am always generous. There it is. This is my medicine. And it's already been peeled. And this is in case you're wondering what garlic is all about. That's the garlic. Oops. So just roughly mince the garlic. It doesn't have to be fine. And what do we do now? Next is after the garlic being minced, to make it quicker, the pasta is on the way, ready to cook, and the shrimp is already been deveined and skin removed and deveined. So I'm going to put it into hot oil just for just basically until the color change. Sometimes even less than a minute. Lovely. And that's it, because we're putting this back. One thing you don't want overcooked shrimp. And the garlic. And one thing you don't want either is burnt garlic. So just keep an eye on that garlic, those garlic there. Make sure it's not gonna get burned. Just release all the oil and the aroma from the garlic, which is smells of garlic always associate with yummy food. And now tomatoes. And cook it until it's ready to, you can crush them with fork or with a spoon until soft, basically. I have one jalapeno, red jalapeno, also from my garden. I have loads of chilies, and this is very mild, so this is optional. If you can't stand any heat at all from chili, you can skip this bit. If you need to put liquid, you can get some from the pasta in order to help to break the tomatoes. And look at the garlic. Ah. And now we can start seasoning. As soon as the spaghetti is ready, we are ready. And I'm ready to put seasoning. A teaspoon, your taste, your kitchen. What you can add also here is paprika, paprika forte. This is also hot paprika, not sweet. You can use sweet if you wish. Oh, paprika is such a good flavor. And it's really looking good now, and I'm ready to taste. And so Okay, now the pasta is ready to drain color, and let me just move it in the center so everyone can have a good view. So, and at this time, we need to put back the shrimp and give it a little bit of stir and put the spaghetti in there and stir it again, and we are basically done. And only if you need some water from the pasta, if you don't want dry pasta on you. So that's it, and we have fresh basil here, and there's no need for chopping it, just tear it. Your fingers will do. It's a very tender leaves. I have so many of them outside my doorstep. So just, yeah, just, and that's it. And that is it. We're done. I'm hungry. All I need now is a glass of wine. For those who know me, you know me well. You know me too well. So let me see. Let's. Okay, plating up. Oh, I know spaghetti's never been easy to eat. This is will definitely comfort my day because both of these are my favorite. Shrimp is the favorite sea actually. Here. And first you put some shrimp all around it and the sauce. Look at the color of those. And let's put some greenery. This is fine. And now I will never is put cheese on fish. I put lemon, squeeze of lemon. Cheese on fish is against my. So in goes just a bit of squeeze of lemon and okay, I'm ready for my comfort food. That this is gluten free and low carb, so there's no guilt in here. Buonissimo, delicious. Mm. And thank you for watching. Please give me thumbs up, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm begging you. Bye for now. I'll see you for my next video.